You decided to roll over today. Hi. Are you going to roll over? Are you going to roll over? Let's see if he does it. Okay. Roll over, buddy. Roll over. Roll over, silly. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Roll over. Jeez. Roll over. I feel like I'm talking to a little dog. Huh? You're not going to do it? You getting camera shy? You just did it. Bye. Okay, I'm going to move over here a little bit. Jack, roll over. You're not going to do it now? No? Hot. Okay, well, you're on your side. Are you going to roll all the way over? There he goes. Come on. Come on. Almost there. Oh, look at that. First day. Today's the day Jack rolled over from his back to his tummy. Good job, buddy. Good job. What's today? You're only 13 and a half weeks. Aw. Look at you. Next will be crawling. Oh my goodness. Too soon, buddy. Too soon. That's too soon.